Right. Oh, I need to piss. I gotta make... Oh, alright. I'm making a beatboxing tutorial on the basics of how to beatbox and do dubstep beatboxing. Alright. Do really for the... What do you call it? For the basic drum beat, you need 3 sounds. You need the kick, the snare, and the hi-hat, which is the... So like... Them 3 sounds. Alright, for the kick, it's really just pretty much the same sound as if you've got a bit of hair stuck in your mouth and you try and like trying to spit it out. Like grab a bit of hair and just whip it out and then you know, and just kind of try and channel that, focus that. So it's like that. So that's your basic. You know, it's kind of like a D or a B sound, like duh, 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 like that. If you can kind of get it that way. So it's mainly with your tongue. So it's trying to get that sound, but don't stick your tongue out because you look like a dickhead like me. Yeah. So yeah. So you got that sound like the. So keep trying that until you get that sound right. And if it doesn't work, rip some hair out, chuck it in your mouth, have a fucking nom 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 nom, and spit it out. The second sound is your snare, and it's pretty much the exact same sound, but you're tightening your lips a bit more. So it's like, but you're not using your tongue. It's as if you're pushing kind of air out of your lip. So it's kind of like a P sound, like a p, with like a PSHH. Kind of sound like that, but you just got to kind of work around your lips, tighten it a bit more, loosen it, and you'll get the sound like a. And you'll eventually get that sound. Yeah, I might not be explaining this right, but it's the best I can do. Right, so you keep trying that. Yeah. The third sound is the hi-hat, which is like a TSST, like a tst, tst, like tst, 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 tst. To explain that, it'd be like a tst, tst, tst. Yeah, no, I don't know how to explain how to do that. But yeah, try and just like go like T. It's like a tss, 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 like a TSS sound, but don't let it ring out as much. So it's like a yeah. Let's keep working. So dubstep beat. Yeah. So keep working on that. That's the easiest way to explain that. For the dubstep, I'll pretty much just explain the 2 basic wobbles, which is your really bassy kind of sound. Yeah. To do that, really, it's like you're purring like a calico. Kind of sound like you're purring like a cat, but try and push it out more so. Kind of like a lawnmower. Not really, I don't fucking know. But yeah, it's like a purring cat, but really like pushed out. And so your tongue, you're vibrating it on pretty much the top of your mouth. And the different shapes of your lips make the different sounds. So it's like yeah. So keep trying to do that. Don't be afraid to practice this. It may sound like an idiot at first, but it does pay off if you want to beatbox. Second wobble is more like a scream. It's like a. It's still bassy, but it's still got the high pitch kind of noise. It's like a. That's to do with just your lips. It's like a kind of like a motorbike, kind of like that. So you just closing your lips and God, I fucking look retarded then. Yeah. But you tighten your lips. And you just kind of move your jaw around to kind of get the feel you like. And if you move your tongue like down and up, and you can even do like a, you know, with the vibration, with the same, so it's like, that sounds like a lot more. You can use that, you know, so yeah, and that's just by tightening and loosening your lips. It gives it a faster wobble or a lower wobble, like. And that sound that you hear here, that I'm using that with my throat. I'm like going like a, I'm kind of like doing like a but just with my throat. What I'm doing so, and you just kind of cut it off. So keep trying to do that. They're the kind of main basic things. If that doesn't help, I'll do a different or another tutorial. Just keep trying that. Yes, but don't be afraid. Ready, ready, ready. Go. Call my 99. Wait, 91111 now.